Hi guys, it's Shreya and I hope all of you are just doing good. So it's scorching heat outside and the only option we have is something cool like this. So by the time I finish this, you can just see how I made it. It's so short, it hardly takes 1.5 minutes. So just get into the video and look how I made it. So yeah. So first, starting with the main ingredient, we'll be adding milk, sugar, pieces of chocolate cake, chocolate biscuits, and then some ice cubes to beat the heat. Then comes the chocolate syrup and blend it together. And now you'll be showing off your art skills and it's time for decorating our glass. So this is how I'm decorating it with chocolate syrup, and it's done. And for topping the shake, we have ice cream, chocolate bars, and chocolate powder. So yeah, that was all about the chocolate thick shake, and it is so easy and so short, and I hope you'd like it. So yeah.